Good morning everyone. Welcome to Smarty channel. Today I have come up with a trick by using which you can do complex calculations with super fast speed. So let's start the session. So today in this session I will first show you how to multiply numbers by 11. So let us start with a simple example. I have taken a simple example 23 into 11. So I have to multiply 23 with 11. So to get the answer you put 23 as it is with the space between the digits 2 and 3. So now you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you add the digits 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Put 5 as it is. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 23 into 11 is equal to 253. Now let us take another 2-digit number, 72 into 11. Put 72 as it is with the space between the digits 7 and 2. Now you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you add the digits 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So this is the required answer. So 72 into 11 is equal to 792. Now let us take another example. We have 89 into 11. So put 89 as it is with the space between the digits 8 and 9. Now you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you add the digits 8 and 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. But 17 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 17, I will take only 7 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. So on the left side of 7, I already have 8. 8 plus 1 carry over will give you 9. So this is the required answer. So 89 into 11 is equal to 979. This is the required answer. Now let us take another 2-digit number, 67 into 11. So put 67 as it is to get the answer. Now you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you add the digits 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. But 13 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 13, I will put 3 here. I will take 3 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. So on the left side of 3, already I have 6. So 6 plus carry over 1 will give you 7. So this is the required answer. So 67 into 11 is equal to 737. Now let us take a 3-digit number. So we have a 3-digit number 356. Now to get the answer, first if you see the number 356, on the left side you have the digit 3 and on the right side you have the digit 6. So put these 2 digits in the answer as it is. So 3 space 6. So now you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, first you add the digits 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 11 I will put 1 and I will carry over 1. Now you add the digits 3 and 5. Now you add these digits 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus already we have 1 carry. 8 plus 1 carry over will give you 9. 8 plus 1 carry over will give you 9. So this is the required answer. So 356 into 11 is equal to 3916. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another 3-digit number, 467 into 11. 467 into 11. So on the left side of 467 you have the digit 4 and on the right side you have the digit 7. So put these 2 digits as it is with the space in between. So now you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, first you add the digits 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. But 13 is a 2-digit number. So you cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 13, I will take 3 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. Now you add the first 2 digits, that is 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1 carry we have. So 10 plus 1 carry will give you 11. But 11 is a 2-digit number. I cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 11 I will put 1 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. So on the left side of 1 already I have 4. So 4 plus 1 carry over will give you 5. So this is the required answer. So 467 into 11 is equal to 5137. It's as simple as this. So we have seen multiplication of numbers by 11. Now let us see how to multiply numbers with 111. The procedure is almost the same, a slight difference is there. So let us see the procedure. Let us take a simple example, 326 into 111. So on the left side of 326 I have 3 on the left side and I have the digit 6 on the right side. So put these 2 digits as it is. So 3 space 6. So now I got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, first you add these two digits 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So put 8 here. Put 8 here. Now you add the 3 digits 3, 2 and 6. So 6 plus 2 already we got 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 is a 2 digit number. You cannot take a 2 digit number. So out of 11 you put 1 here and carry over 1 to the left number. Now to get the next number, you add the digits 3 and 2. Now you add the digits 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus already we have 1 carry. So 5 plus 1 carry will give you 6. 5 plus 1 carry will give you 6. So this is the required answer. So 326 into 111 is equal to 36,186. So 36,186 is the required answer. Now let us take another example. 712 into 111. So in the number 712, on the left side we have the digit 7 and on the right side we have the digit 2. So put these two digits as it is in the answer. So 7 space 2. Now I got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you add these two digits 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So put this 3 as it is. Now you add these 3 digits now. So already we added 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 we got 3. 3 plus 7 will give you 10. So but 10 is a 2 digit number. We cannot take a 2 digit number. So out of 10 I will take 0 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. Now you add 7 plus 1. Now you add 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. Now you add 7. Now you add 7 and 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 carry will give you 9. So this is the required answer. So 712 into 111 is equal to 79,032. This is as simple as this. Now let us take another example. 618 into 111. So in the number 618, on the left side we have the digit 6 and on the right side we have the digit 8. So put these two digits as it is. 6 space 8. So you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, first add these two digits 1 and 8. First add the two digits 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. So put 9 as it is. Now you add the 3 digits 6, 1 and 8. So 1 plus 8 we got 9. 9 plus 6 is 9. 8. 6 plus 1 plus 8 is 15. But 15 is a 2 digit number. We cannot take a 2 digit number. So out of 15 I will take 5 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. Now you add the digits 6 and 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 carry over will give you 8. So this is the required answer. So 618 into 111 is equal to 68,598. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another number 345 into 111. So in the number 345, on the left side we have the digit 3 and on the right side we have the digit 5. So take these two digits as it is. So 3 space 5. Now you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, add these two digits 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So put 9 as it is. Now you add the 3 digits 3, 4 and 5. Already we got 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. But 12 is a 2 digit number. We cannot take a 2 digit number. So out of 12, I will take only 2 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. Now to get the left number, add the two digits 3 and 4. Add these two digits 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 carry will give you 8. So this is the required answer. So 345 into 111 is equal to 38,295. It's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. If you really like this video and if you want me to come up with more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please click on bell icon. In future I will be coming with more such videos. So thank you for patiently watching this video. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.